double eBay deal. First one is a £550 bargain MG ZS. No head gasket issues. Cam belt changed recently. 56,000 miles. No rot whatsoever. Brilliant little car. Just literally this morning drove it back from North Birmingham. I know Birmingham has a bit of a reputation to buy cars from, but sometimes you can get a bargain because of that reputation. All original apart from the gear knob, which I think I've actually got in the boot anyway. Oh, and also the Kenwood stereo system as well is different, but it all works as it should. Got about 3 sets of keys for this thing as well. Usually get a bit of wear on the bolster in these, so as you can see, it's a slight, I've seen worse, let's put it that way. Stacks of history of it as well. Needs a bit of a clean, but overall condition, I'm really happy. I've seen a lot worse and paid 4 times the amount really for something of this age. And then also we've got a Volvo V50, 2-litre diesel, 139,000 miles. I paid £700 for. It was absolutely filthy. I've already given the inside a clean, but I have been using it since, so it does need a bit of a tidy up. It's not up for sale yet. I mean, as you can see, I've got a few other bits to do to it. Headlining's sagging, the sunroof is sealed because it was leaking, so hence the saggy headliner. So yeah, this should clean up a treat really. So literally just about to give them both a wash. It's been raining all morning, so I don't know if I'm going to polish them yet. Don't know if I've got time, but yeah, 2 cracking cars. So just washed both cars, and it's starting to bloody rain, so that'll be alright. I'll wait for it to dry. I mean, the wheels have come up a treat, to be fair, on both of the cars with that turtle wax red line. I mean, the MG wheel looks practically brand new really. So yeah, really happy with that. All that's left to do really is do an interior clean. The MG practically doesn't need touching. Quick hoover, quick wipe down of the dash, blacken the plastics and so on. Probably do the engine bay, even though that's pretty clean. That's the dirty one. Engine bay absolutely filthy. Seats are stained in the back, so I might have to re-dye them. Just depends how picky I am really. And yeah, so it's absolutely emptying it down now, so I'm going to crack on with hoovering. So there's the MG, cleaned, washed, and going to be put up for sale. I've still got to polish it, but as you can tell, the weather's not really doing me any justice here, so I will polish it when I get time. The wheels have come up brilliant, to be fair. They really make the car stand out, I think. Yeah, I mean, it's a great little car. I've got some touching to do, so I need to grab some paint at some point, but you can't see it in the photo, so that will be done in the week at some point. And again, if it's not going to put anybody off, but it's just me being a bit, I suppose, anal, trying to get it to it's kind of almost kind of showroom condition. I might change the badge as well, as you can see. Someone's painted it where it's faded over the years. So yeah, still got the Volvo to do, but this was priority. And it says quite a bit of margin, this one, so it's come up really well, to be fair. Clean up all the plastics. Rear seats are in really good condition as well. All the paperwork there. So yeah, let's see what we can get for this. I think I'm going to stick at that for about 1600 quid maybe. But let me know in the comments if you think that's a reasonable price.